Hello fellow Bitcoiner and welcome to this tutorial. I'm excited to show you how to buy Bitcoin directly into your Bitbox Hardware Wallet using just your smartphone. The whole process only takes a few minutes and is super easy. It's important to mention that the Bitbox only works with Android phones, so you can only use this setup if you have an Android smartphone. For Apple users, I'm going to link a video that shows you how to set up the purchase directly from your computer, which is also super easy. Open your browser and go to getbittr.com. Click on Buy Bitcoin and then enter your email address. Next, open your inbox and find the email from Bittr. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once you're back on the Bittr website, enter your IBAN. Well done. Before we continue here, you have to connect your Bitbox to your smartphone. I've included a link to the Bitbox app in the Play Store in the video description. Open the Bitbox app, then connect your Bitbox. Unlock the device. You already see it on the screen in the back, the Bitbox is connected. Good job. Now, let's jump back to the Bittr website and select Bitbox. You'll see the steps for the next part of the process. Good news, we already downloaded the app, we can go straight to step 2. When you click it, the Bitbox app will automatically open with the address request. Click Continue and select your account. Now it's time to continue the process directly on the Bitbox. Take your hardware wallet and sign the message. Great, the signing was successful. Back in the app, do not click on Done or close this window yet. Instead, switch back to your browser first. And there you go. You've already completed the setup. Bittr now shows you all the details you need for your bank transfer. You can simply copy the IBAN and the payment reference by clicking on them. Every time you send money with this reference, you'll receive the converted amount in Bitcoin directly into your Bitbox. Now, let's just set up a bank transfer to finish. Open your banking app and enter name, IBAN, and the amount you want to convert into Bitcoin. If you like to start a Bitcoin savings plan, you can set up a recurring bank transfer. I'm setting up a monthly transfer, so I only need to set it up once and everything runs automatically. Don't forget to add your payment description as a reference. Once the transfer is complete, head back to your email inbox. You should soon receive a confirmation email from Bittr that confirms that your Bitcoin purchase is complete and that Bitcoin has been sent to your wallet. The email also shows you all the important details like the Bitcoin amount you received and the exchange rate that was used for your purchase. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.